Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a filing that suggests a little shake-up behind the scenes at Innovative Food Holdings. Incorporated, it's not about blockbuster sales or million-dollar deals, but something just as crucial for the company's long-term health. Stick around to find out what's really going on. Before we dive in, if you're new here and love getting plain English explanations of complex corporate filings, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, we have a fantastic Discord community where we break down these reports even further. The link is in the description below. Alright, let's get straight into it. We're re-looking at a Form 8K, which is essentially a report of really important events that shareholders should know about and that a company needs to share pronto. This one, filed by Innovative Food Holdings, Incorporated, focuses on changes happening in a really critical area for any public company who is signing off on their financial statements. So the big news here is about the company's auditors. Think of auditors as the independent scorekeepers. They check the company's financial books to make sure everything is presented fairly and accurately. It looks like Innovative Food Holdings has had a bit of a merry-go-round with accounting firms recently. Back in April of 2025, their auditor at the time, Assurance Dimensions LLC, stepped down. This wasn't because of any problems with Innovative Food Holdings, but rather because Assurance Dimensions sold its audit practice to another firm called Stefano Slack LLC. So Stefano Slack stepped in as the new auditor. But here is where things get interesting. Just a few months later, in September, and in conjunction with a formal process to find the best firm for their ongoing audit needs, Innovative Food Holdings decided to part ways with Stefano Slack as well. This transition happened around the 17th of September 2025. It's important to note that the filing states there were no disagreements or issues that would have caused Stefano Slack to raise red flags about their time working with the company. This is a good sign, meaning the departure was likely more about finding the right long-term fit rather than escaping a problem, and who is the new partner in this crucial role. As of the 22nd of September 2025, the company has engaged CB's CPAs PC to be their new independent registered public accounting firm. This change was approved by the audit committee of the company's board of directors, which is standard practice. The report goes into quite a bit of detail about the discussions, or rather the lack of discussions, Innovative Food Holdings had with CB's before hiring them. It clarifies that CB's hasn't provided any advice on specific accounting issues, or warned about potential disagreements or reportable events during their initial consultations. This is often included to assure investors that the new auditor isn't stepping in with prior knowledge of significant problems. The filing also includes a letter from Stefano Slack confirming their agreement with the company's statements about their departure, which is filed as Exhibit 16.1. This adds another layer of confirmation that the auditor change itself wasn't stayed due to any serious accounting or auditing disputes. Now, why should you, the investor, care about a change in auditors? Well, auditors play a vital role in ensuring investor confidence. They provide that independent verification that the financial numbers you're looking at are reliable. Frequent changes in auditors can sometimes be a signal that there might be underlying issues, either with how the company handles its finances or with the accounting firms themselves. However, in this case, the report tries to reassure us that these changes were managed professionally and without major conflicts. It seems Innovative Food Holdings was actively looking for a permanent, stable audit relationship after their initial auditor changed hands. The key date here, the 17th of September 2025, marks the effective date of dismissal for Stefano Slack. This is the point from which their role as auditor ended, and then very quickly on the 22nd of September 2025, CB's was brought on board. This swift transition suggests the company was proactive in securing its new audit partner. While this specific filing doesn't contain detailed financial tables with revenue or profit figures, the change in auditors is a foundational piece for understanding the company's financial reporting integrity. It's the bedrock upon which all future financial analysis will stand. Without a stable and trusted auditor, even the best financial results can be viewed with skepticism. In this instance, the company has navigated a transition that could have raised eyebrows, but the disclosures aim to present it as a deliberate and methodical process to secure a long-term auditing relationship. Looking at this filing, what's the story? Innovative Food Holdings Incorporated is making a change to its most critical financial watchdog. They moved from Stefano Slack to CB's CPAs PC. The reasons seem to stem from a broader review process to find the best fit for their ongoing auditing needs, rather than any specific disputes or disagreements. In my opinion, the frequent auditor changes within a relatively short period are something to keep an eye on. While the report explicitly states no disagreements, the fact that they went through 2 changes in auditors in less than 6 months might suggest some instability or a prolonged search for the right fit. However, the engagement of CBA CPAs P. C. A well-established firm is a positive step towards stabilizing their external audit function. The absence of any reported disagreements is a strong signal that the company's financial practices themselves are likely sound, and this is more about finding the right partner to attest to that. The biggest opportunity here is for CBs to provide that stable, long-term audit oversight which will boost investor confidence. The primary risk would be if this instability continues, leading to concerns about the perceived quality or consistency of their financial reporting. For now, the company appears to be taking steps to rectify this situation. Alright, that's our breakdown of what's happening behind the financial scenes at Innovative Food Holdings, Incorporated. What's your take on these auditor changes? Do you think it's a sign of underlying issues or just a procedural adjustment? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex corporate reports. Don't forget to join our Discord community for even deeper dives and discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.